This is the Drive Phoenix HD portable scooter. This is a 3-wheel scooter made by Drive Medical. It's the Phoenix HD. This scooter has a 350-pound weight capability. It does come apart in 3 or 4 pieces. Very nice scooter. It does have a swivel seat. Now the seat on this HD scooter is 18 by 18. The arms do flip up. We do have a 20-inch seat. This is 18. We do have a 20. If you need a 20-inch seat, it would be a little bit more, be an upcharge. But this is the 18 by 18 standard that comes with this HD scooter. As I said, this scooter has a 350-pound weight capability. It has 9-inch tires, 9 by 3. And look at the ground clearance. Look at this. It's probably about 4 or 5 inches of ground clearance right there. That's the most clearance you're ever going to see on a portable scooter. Another thing about this scooter is look at the front right here, how much you can extend your feet. These are extended out so you have more room when you're sitting in your scooter. So if you have a 3-wheel scooter, you can extend your legs out. Versus a 4-wheel, you'd have to keep them inside here. Okay? With a 3-wheel scooter, you have a much better turning radius also because you have one wheel in front. So this has got a 350-pound weight capability. Another benefit of this scooter is the batteries in here. This is a battery pack. These are 20-amp batteries, so they'll give you about 9.5, 9.6 miles an hour. I'm sorry, 9.5, 9.6 miles in distance. Now some of you are going to get less, some of you are going to get more, depending if you're going uphill, the weight of the user, what kind of condition you're driving your scooter on. But roughly 9.5 miles is the distance. These are 20-amp batteries in there. As I said, this is a take-apart scooter. It does have a headlight, so if I turn the light off over here, you'll be able to see the headlight. There's your headlight right here. You can see how it lights up against the wall right there. And you do have a horn. And you have your forward right here, and you have your reverse on the side. So if you only have one hand, you could drive it forward here, and you could go reverse on the same side just by pushing the lever the opposite direction. So you can also do the same thing on the opposite side, okay? So this scooter here, and you have a battery gauge right here that tells you how your batteries are doing. You can see right now the batteries are full. You got green, green, orange, and red. You lose one light at a time as you're using your batteries. It tells you on the battery gauge right there. So also you have a basket in front with this scooter. This is a swivel seat. It does swivel. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to take this scooter apart to show you how it comes apart in 3 or 4 pieces. Another thing about these arms right here, these arms can be extended out. Also, there's a lever right here. You also have a docking device right here. If you need to put a basket, oxygen holder, cane holder, it would go right into here. Let me swivel the seat. So if you're going to take it apart, fold the seat down first. Put your left hand under the seat, your right hand on the lever, because you have to push the lever up to unlock it like this. You can feel it's unlocked when you do that. And then pull straight up. Don't go back, don't go forward. Pull straight up because it's really tight. So this is your seat, which is about 25 pounds. This is your battery pack over here. So you got to make sure before you pull the battery pack that it is unlocked right here. So you can pull the battery pack right out. There's a little lock right here. You can see lock, unlock. This is your battery pack, which is about 20 pounds. Then you would take your basket off, which weighs nothing. Then over here, you've got a lever here. You can pull it up. Look at that. And it comes apart like this, okay? So now you've got your front end. I'm going to lower this down. This is called a tiller. So if you're going to load it in the car, you would lower the tiller, okay? And when you're ready to put it in the car, you can grab it by the pole and by this. This is the bottom of your scooter. This weighs about 30 pounds. This is your rear, right here. You can see your motor, you can see your transmission. It's a direct drive. It goes directly to the wheel. This is your back end, right here. So, and this part right here weighs about 35 pounds right here. So when you put it back together, sit it on its back like this. You can see where it's orange right here and right here. So you would grab your, what you would do first when you put it back together, put your tiller back up so it's not in your way. Grab your rear end right here, and you can see there's an orange mark right there. There's one on the opposite side, so it has to go in there. So you bring it until it's both sides are in like that. And I think what we do next is bring it back forward, and it's locked again. How simple is that? So you can also do it if you have a strong person with you. You could grab the back and the front and put it in one piece if you didn't want to split it. But if you split it, you got about 35 pounds, 33 pounds, and roughly between the two is 70 pounds, okay? 66 pounds between the two. That's if you take it apart. If you don't take it apart, then it's different. You have a reset button right here. So if you got in trouble, you got stuck in the mud or something, and instead of burning your motor, this would pop out. This is your neutral. If you need to push this scooter, notice how you can't do it? If I lift this lever, it's in neutral. You can roll it around. Make sure this is always down. We get a lot of people, they change the batteries, they transport their scooter, and they put the lever up and they're all in a tizzy because their scooter just is not working. Put the battery pack back in. It drops right in. Lock it so it doesn't come out. When you grab your seat, grab it this way so you can see your mail post, okay? So if I bring it here, I can see where I'm going, okay? But you do have to hold this handle down again. It has to come out. So you hold the handle, put it in the hole, let it fall, you're locked again, okay? Put your basket back on. Okay, so now we're back in gear. This scooter will go about 4 miles an hour. The top speed is 4 miles an hour. When you charge this scooter, take your small charger. It is a small charger. As a matter of fact, you can carry this charger with you. Take your charger, and it plugs right here in the front. On the side of the scooter right there, you can see the plug. I'm going to open it up here. You plug your charger right here. And then you can see it's green. Plug it into the wall. When the light goes from red to green, you're fully charged. So I tell a lot of people, keep your charger with you if you happen to go somewhere and you've used it all day long and the batteries are getting low. While you're eating, plug it in for an hour while you're eating, you'll get another 2 or 3 hours of riding time. The charger is so small, you can put it in the bottom of your basket. You have your owner's manual here. One more thing about this scooter. If you have it in your car, and you just take the battery pack in the house, you don't have to take the scooter in, just take your whole battery pack. In the front of your battery pack where my finger is right there, you can also charge the batteries in your home. So take the battery pack in the house, and you can charge just the battery pack if you want to leave the rest of the scooter inside the car. Okay? So let's recap. This is called the Drive Phoenix HD 3-wheel scooter with a swivel seat, 18 by 18. We do have a bigger seat, it's an upcharge. Plenty of foot space for your feet. 9-inch tires, 4 or 5-inch ground clearance, which is phenomenal. You also have a battery pack with 2 20-amp batteries in there. They'll give you about 9.5, 9.3, right around 9.5 miles distance on your battery charge. 3-wheel scooter, very good turning radius, comes apart. As we mentioned, the seat was about 30 pounds. The battery pack was about 25 pounds. The front end was about 35. The rear was about 40 or 35, 40 pounds. And it does have the lights, the horn. As I said, the seat is also available. You can extend the arms out. So this is called the three-wheel Phoenix HD 350-pound weight capability. Very nice scooter, very well put together, and it's available right now. So this will be your turning radius, the sharpest you can turn it. So it turns pretty good. So this is the three-wheel Phoenix HD with the ground clearance, 9-inch tires, very easy to drive. You can drive it with one hand on either side. Cannot go in the grass today, it's bogged down with water, but it'll go through the grass. This is the one with more leg room. Instead of keeping your legs on a four-wheel like this over here, you can extend your legs out like this. They have your extra large platform there. Very nice scooter, ready to go.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex.
We are a family-owned business for over 25 years.
We have many products available, not just what you see in this video. If you would like to learn more, you can call the number below at 800-677-6293, or you can visit us directly at www.marksmobility.com.